If you're looking for smart, efficient living in a well established Edmonton community, the Skyrattler condo is worth your attention. This ground level, corner unit, carriage style bungalow offers just over 1,040 square feet of thoughtfully planned space. The layout is open and functional with a spacious living and dining area, large windows that bring in natural light, and a kitchen designed for everyday ease, complete with a generous pantry. There are three well-proportioned bedrooms, including a primary with a walk-in closet, along with in-suite laundry and additional crawl space storage. Step outside to a covered patio and enjoy the convenience of nearby visitor parking. Located close to shopping, schools, parks, and public transportation, including LRT access, this home offers a lifestyle that balances comfort, accessibility, and long-term value. I'm Deanna Jacobson with Royal LePage Prestige. I'm never too busy for your referrals.